They shift boundaries and connect continents. They carry both people and goods, on the road and on the rails, through the air and over the sea. They generate energy, move the earth, and produce the goods that we need every day. They are the materials of technology, special steels and high alloyed metals. They play a key role in technical and economic progress. They are fascinating and a challenge to the innovational strength of their makers. We rise up to this challenge and provide the technicians with the materials that they need. Special steels, the materials for innovation. As the worldwide leading specialist in sophisticated product solutions for all things steel, we make that competitive edge possible for our customers. Steel production has always enjoyed considerable tradition in Kapfenberg. As long ago as 1446, steel was manufactured and formed here. The true success story began, however, with the takeover of the steelworks by the brothers Böhler. Countless patents have been registered, and the numerous materials developed have since been sent around the world and have made Böhler into the company we are today, the most significant producer of special steels worldwide. Special steels are iron and steel alloys, characterized by their special properties and metallurgical purity. We carry approximately 250 brands in our standard program, which is divided into high-speed steels, tool steels, and special materials. The properties can be specifically controlled by the chemical composition, the method of production, or the type of treatment. Sorted and cleaned scrap metal and various alloys provide the basis. A particular feature of special steel is that it is up to 100% recyclable. Böhler melts special steels in a 50-ton electric arc furnace. In the various secondary metallurgy processes that follow, the metallurgical purity is continuously improved, and the 2B analysis is set. The liquid special steel is then cast into rolling and forging ingots, or, via horizontal continuous casting, formed into electrode ingots for remelting. The highly diverse process routes in our special steel mill are also unsurpassed in the industry. Electroslag remelting is a Böhler invention. In this process, steel ingots, so-called remelting electrodes, are remelted in atmosphere. The PESR is a similar process, using pressure in a protective gas atmosphere. The vacuum arc furnace offers a further possibility for remelting. The special steel is remelted under vacuum with the highest degree of gas purity. The result, special steel with a high degree of metallurgical purity and the best mechanical properties. A readily distinguishable manufacturing method for highly stressed tool steels is offered by powder metallurgy. The liquid melt is atomized with nitrogen under high pressure. The fine powder obtained is then filled in capsules and compressed to an ingot in the hot isostatic press. Our special steel, available under the brand name of MicroClean, is the answer to the most extreme wear strain. These ingots are now the basic raw material for further deformation. Forging on the forging press is the supreme discipline of hot forming. Ingots of up to 40 tons in weight are forged into large master ingots, or into bar steel of larger diameters, or open die forging pieces of the most diverse geometries. The forging line includes a new rotary forging machine. This is where bar steel, up to a maximum length of 15 meters, a diameter of up to 550 millimeters round, and a unit weight of 8 tons can be produced. The exactly defined preheating of the ingots is decisive for the subsequent steel quality. Rolling constitutes a different and quite economical forming process. In the ingot and blooming mill, ingots are rolled to bar steel of larger diameters, or to billets to be rolled in the multi-line rolling mill later. A finishing line in the most modern surface control facilities guarantees zero-defect products. These lines meet the highest environmental health and safety standards, as do all of the other production facilities at Böhler. The water used for cooling flows in a closed loop. The resulting emissions, such as smoke and dust, are extracted and filtered. On the 5 rolling lines in the multi-line rolling mill, we produce round, flat, and square bar steel, as well as wire. Edge accuracy and excellent surface grades are the particular advantages of these products. It is a heat treatment exactly suited to the individual product that guarantees the defined and required use properties of our special steel. Even our surface finish offers shining possibilities. Round steel is peeled and polished, turned, or belt ground. Depending on the field of application or customer requirements, flat dimensions are offered as side edge milled on all sides, or ground. In our precision wire production plant, wire is rolled, peeled, drawn, ground, and polished. A further specialty is the flat-rolled, highly wear-resistant wire for bimetal bandsaws, or the inductive hardened bars as a ready-to-use economical primary material for drills or ejector pins. Not one single product leaves our works without having passed the process-defined, stringent controls set. Bar steel undergoes continuous testing for internal as well as surface defects. The results are meticulously recorded. Our customers the world over value the services offered by our machining shops. We saw or mill large tool steel blocks on precision bandsaws and milling machines. Our customers save on order weight and costly machining time in their own facilities. Finishing larger forging pieces in our mechanical workshops rounds out our product program. In our extensive special processes, turning, and milling facilities, we produce components for turbine construction, for the oil and offshore industries, the aerospace industry, or for general-purpose machinery construction. Where would we be without innovation? In order to remain fit for the future, you have to ask the right questions, sometimes even the unconventional ones. Our know-how helps us to find the right answers. Field-tested steels are continuously developed, and new materials to meet the demands of tomorrow are being tested in our laboratories today. Insight into the microstructure on a nanoscale gives us the information we need on the technical feasibility, presenting us again and again with undreamt-of possibilities. Products are made by people, and quality starts in our minds. Values such as trust, expertise, a sense of responsibility, and customer service are the basis of our actions. When dealing with business partners, we believe in fairness and sustainability. The quality of our products is defined, carefully reviewed, and electronically documented every step of the way, from melting to delivery through precise process operations. International certifications are confirmation of our culture of complete quality. We place tremendous value on resource protecting and environmentally health and safety-friendly production, which is why we are proud to be the first steel company to run a certified EH&S management system. In order for this to remain so, we at Böhler are prepared to give more. We keep fit in any situation, maintain a healthy and active way of life, and a passion for uncompromising quality that inspires us to peak performance. It is likewise our philosophy to train young people in a range of professions for the future in our own educational and training facilities. Because the greatest capital we have here at Böhler are ourselves, all the qualified and highly motivated staff members. That was how it was in the past, how it is today, and that is what shall become even more important tomorrow for us as the most reliable materials partner for the world's top performers.